Kajigalang jong kekenhun Menteri ke Sorkar Jylla hak artarik rempang kalarai ban pynjlan ya ke election MDC jong ki artali ki council kata ke Jainta Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC bat Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC. Ya ke nila pentip da usembut Menteri rang ba ke Jylla ba Preston Tensong haba keren bat ki nong thok kubor hadin ke jingalang kekenhun Menteri jong ke Sorkar MDA. Ulaong baka ni karai la shim hadin baka executive committee jong baro atli ki council kila pan por ban pendep ya ke jingpia constituency. Ulaong baka samoy jong ki executive committee jong kini ki council kan kut hakasan tarik ubnai luber arhajar arpusau. Henry kini ki council kila pan por san Henry ubnai ban peteng ya ka samoy trekam jong ki. Ngila yo ya ke jingkerpat na baro atli ki council bakila kerpat ban penjalan ya ka samoy. Namar baki komiti na kabenta ka delimitation kila panpor ban pendep ya ke jing pihak constituency. Namar ka kam kadang ya syai-syai. Namar kidang penlong ya ke jing pensengau pat ba bat ka ka kaipot ka bami on sa syempat ya kalrai laong ubak Preston.
Then the agenda number 2 came in from the Department of DCA, District Council Affairs Department, where the proposal was for the extension of the terms of both Khasi and Jaintia Hills District Council. So I wanted to explain here. I think if you could recollect, last year, towards the end of 2023, the Honorable Governor has granted both the District Council for constitution of the delimitation committee, and this delimitation committee is on the job as per the prescribed guidelines done. And recently, both the District Council, again they have sent the proposal to the state government for extension of delimitation committee, and that extension was also sought by both the delimitation committee through the executive committee of both Khasi and Jaintia District Council, and ultimately the government and the Department of District Council Affairs has examined all these details, and ultimately the cabinet this evening has approved the proposal for extension of the present terms of both Khasi and Jaintia District Council for another 6 months. And this term for another 6 months, meaning because the term of both these two district councils will be expired in the month of March, 5th March 2024. From that date itself, 6 months is approved for extension, and now the state government will send this recommendation to the Honorable Governor for approval and for according the necessary order on this.